Hello.
This is Rymdglas again, 3 years later.
Yeah, we are going to make a new episode of Rymdglas School of Destiny. Today we are going to do Space Invaders enemies made of balloons.
And we will attach them to each other by tape. Do we call it tape?
Sorry?
Is it tape? Is it English word for tape?
I don't know, but that's the Swedish word.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so first of all we're going to sort them out by colors. It's not that difficult. But anyway, here we go. Yes. Purple. Purple is a nice color. And pink is not a so nice color, but it's at least a color. Oh, here we go. It will be green. You can take green also. I don't know which color you want. Shall we try them out?
Yeah.
It works! Woohoo!
Surprise.
This is so future. Maybe we should be like this so we can be in the time-lapse camera also.
This is the one.
I think it's too dark.
So there it is, and now we're we're done with it, and we shall try it out someday.
Better get 2 eyes here.
Yeah.
And I think it's like legs. Here he walks. I think he will start to shoot laser at me quite soon, because that's the only thing he do actually. I think he's walking on the roof. You can see him walking on the roof on my barn here. He's walking, and yeah, that's actually, here comes the cat again. He's getting down. I wonder why. Yeah, I know why. Because it's cold outside, so now the helium is shrinking, and that's why it's fall down. I'm so smart. I'm maybe the smartest around.
Grabbar epatraktor du har köpt dig idag. Kan den åka 2 i den, eller?
Ja du, det kan du tro att den kan. Hoppa in nu så ska du få åka med väck in till stan.
Åka epatraktor hela dagen. Vi kan åka epa hela natten. Åka epatraktor hela dagen. Vi kan åka epa hela natten. Åka epatraktor hela dagen. Åka epa hela natten. Åka epa traktor hela dagen. Vi kan åka epa hela natten. Åka epa traktor hela dagen. Vi kan åka epa hela natten. Sladdar med epa traktor, 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 sladdar med epa traktor.
It's so funny. Oh. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye then.
But stay tuned.
Oh, check out these buttons. Go to DIY to get the prankster skill. Okay, thanks, bye.